Good morning, dear student. This is a grammar class of 8 standards. Today we are going to learn one question. Okay, look here. Here is one question. Pick out the adjective from the following sentences and rewrite the sentence using their noun form. Okay, question is here. Pick out the adjectives from the following sentences. We want to pick out or side out the adjective and rewrite the sentence using their noun form. Only we want to use that adjective forms noun. That means we want to convert that adjective into noun. Okay, look here. Here is one sentence. First sentence: no one can deny that it was the most tragic accident to have taken in the school. Remember this. No one can deny that it was most tragic accident to have taken place in the school. In this sentence, we want to find first adjective, and that is tragic. Remember this, tragic. This adjective gives more information about the accident and it is a adjective. Remember this, tragic is a adjective. Now we want to convert this adjective into uh, noun. Remember this. Okay, we want to convert this adjective into noun form and then we want to rewrite the sentence. Okay, only I write here the noun form of that adjective, and after that you can solve this sentence in your notebook and you can rewrite the sentence using the noun form of that adjective. I write here the tragic, that adjective's noun form, and that is tragedy. Spelling is Tragedy. dy, tragedy. Remember this. I repeat this spelling: T R A Tragedy, tragedy. We want to replace this tragic adjective into tragedy, and then we want to rewrite the whole sentence as it is. Are you getting that? Okay. Now the second sentence is here. The quack convinced the gullible housewife about his medicine. Look here, the quack, like earthquake, we can say that. Okay, the quack convince the gullible housewife. Remember this. This is a adjective which give more information about the housewife, and we want to convert this adjective into noun form. Okay, look here, and we can convert that like this. We can write the noun form of that word: Gullibility. Look here, we can convert that word into noun form: Gullibility. Gullibility. Remember this, it is a noun form of that gullible words. Okay, or that adjectives. I hope that you will understand the spelling and you can rewrite this sentence using the noun form of that gullible words. Okay, now the third sentence is here. Look here, dear students. It was as though as wearing a charm amulet. Look here. In this sentence, here is one adjective which give more information about the amulet, charm. So we want to convert that adjective into noun form, and we can write here easily charm. Okay, CHARM. It is a noun form of that word. We can say that it is an adjective which give more information about this amulet, and it is a charm, charm. It is a noun form of that word, and we can convert that adjective into noun form, and we can rewrite this sentence using the noun form of that word. I hope that you will write this sentence using the noun form of that word. Okay, now the fourth sentence is here. Look here. Being lucky won't help you as long as you are supposing. Okay, remember this. In this sentence, you want to convert that adjective into noun form. Look here, in this sentence there is one adjective, that is long. As long as, that means it shows the adjective more information, so we convert this adjective into noun form, and that is length. Long is adjective, and we convert that adjective into noun form, and that is noun form is length. length, length. Okay, replacing the adjective into a noun form, you can rewrite this whole sentence. I hope that you will understand how to convert the adjective into noun form, and you can easily solve this exercise. The further point of these lessons we will see in next video. Thank you.